Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create modern dropdowns in Google Sheets. So, using this modern dropdowns, you can create a list of courses. So here you can see I've created this list of courses and I have assigned an color combination for all these courses. So let us see how we can create this kind of dropdown from scratch. So I've opened the new tab. In this first, I'm entering the main heading. Then I'm selecting the cell range where I want to create the dropdown and then go to insert and click on dropdown. Once you click on dropdown, here you can see the dropdowns have been created, but here we need to enter the values. So the first value is data science and I am assigning the color code for that course. Similarly, the next course is digital marketing and again I am assigning that color code. And again, third course is Python. I am assigning the color code. And the fourth course is Excel. And I am assigning the color code. So once you're done, click on done. Now go here and select the courses which we have created now. So you can also edit this directly from this cells only. Here you can see we have the edit option. So want to change the size of this dropdown, go here again to the data validation rules, click on advanced option, and here you can see we have three options for changing the style. So the first one is chip, second is arrow, and third is plain text. So it's up to you which kind of style you want. So once you're done, you can see the changes have been made. So this is how simple it is to create modern dropdowns in Google Sheets. So I hope you understood this, and if you like this video, then consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.